Yeah, I just spent a year or two on self-discovery, and at the tail end of it, you went and fell in love with me. So wake and smell the shrubbery, the roses and the petrichor, and tell me if there's anyone who I'd be any better for. Cause honey, you're my other half, sinking ship, rubber raft, twinkling lips, a lovely laugh, and every bit of what I'd ask plus a half. Honestly, I've always kinda sucked at math, but 150% sounds fucking rad. Heart pounding like I'm doing hella jumping jacks, and I've been in the dark so long I think the sun has come at last. In the form of you, my favorite sort of goof, with a heart of gold, that shit's enormous too. You're a basket of assorted fruits resting in the background of an easel for an artist to paint his portraits to. And each one of them is beautiful, I'm sure. That's why my writing about you brings this music in my nerves. It explodes from my mouth like a secret, but I scream when I speak it directly to the cement. Forget it. I hope that my friends all see this and think to themselves, Patrick's happy? Oh, Jesus. I'd ask the reasons and dream to lack pretense, but the question why pick me is greeted with these evenings of smiling and joy. Told that shy little boy who I was a few years ago to hide in the void called life that I travel through, exposing my heart so you could snatch it from my chest and turn my soul into art. You make pens and pencils look like extension of yourself. I watched you draw me in a minute flat without an ounce of help, and if I said I wasn't still amazed with how you did so well, then I'd be lying. I'm in shock and smiling if you couldn't tell. So this is a personal thank you from me to you for being so damn incredible and speaking true. 'Cause beauty like that belongs on the evening news. Sincerely signed, Patrick or Atlas, your dear and boo. Love song bars.